it's the Mass Maiden again. Today we're gonna be listening to my cat eat. She's real. Can you hear that? Alright. These are Purr Pops chicken licks. They're like little heart freeze-dried chicken lollipops for cats. What it looks like, what the packaging looks like. She's not fat, but she very much enjoys her food. So, face the camera. There we go. She's stirred. Please don't make a mess on my computer. Great. She's making a mess of my computer. Kitty, stop. Eat it. Eat. I'm forcing her to eat what you made a mess on my computer with. That's it. Say bye. Her name's Celine, by the way. Say bye, Celine.